There must be a reason behind your character or character's actions in your story or film. Hi, I'm Isaac, and welcome to How to Write Your Screenplay, a step-by-step guide. We all at one point or the other in our lives did something that was against that which we normally would do. And normally when that happens and you ask a person why they did it, they will tell you, I really don't know why I did it. But when you probe deeper, you will find for almost everything that people do that is not normal for them, there was a reason why they have done it. Just so, there must be a reason behind your character or character's actions in your story or film. That is the motivation behind your character's actions. And the stronger the motivation, the more daring a character may become in solving his or her problem. Motivation is everything. The motivation behind a character's actions can be anything at all, but it must be believable. And the actions of the character due to that motivation must also be believable. To succeed in creating a believable motivation behind the character that leads to believable actions on the part of the character comes down to how strong that motivation is. The motivations of the character behind the character's actions must be equal to that action. If a child would steal some fruit from a vendor on a pavement, and that vendor takes out his gun and kills the child, what would you think?